Hello everybody. We are going to discuss the algebraic expressions and identities. So first of all we will discuss what are expressions. So to understand the expressions, पहले we must know about the variables and the constant. Variables means a variable takes on different numerical values. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted usually by the letters of the alphabets like X, Y, Z. Variables means which are the changeable. जो चेंजेबल होते हैं विच आर द चेंजेबल नॉट फिक्स्ड दे आर नोन एज ए वेरिएबल्स एंड जनरली वेरिएबल्स को हम डिनोट करते कैसे एक्स वाई जेड इज देयर बिकॉज वाई इट इज चेंजेबल because sometimes you are getting x equal to 1, sometimes you are getting x equal to 2 and then 3, then every time the value of x is going to change. So that is value is not fixed. So that's why value is not fixed. Variable are denoted by usually the letters and numerical values. Different numerical values are possible. तो variables क्या होते हैं ये fixed नहीं होते, they are the changeable. Every time the value of x or y z may be the changes here. But constant remains unchanged. They are fixed. They are not going to change. Means for instance like 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are the constant. Because 1 will remain the 1, 2 will remain the 2, 3 will remain the 3. It is not going to change. So these are the constant. Variable means changeable जो होते हैं. Constant means which are going to fixed. They are not changeable. Means during execution of a program value remains unchanged. That is known as a constant. But we want to discuss about the expression. हमें क्या समझना है expression क्या होता है. अब now on the variable and the constant, if we applied any one of the operation, अगर मैं variable और constant पर कोई भी operations कर दूं, operations is here, we are going to add them, or we are going to subtract, or we are going to divide, or we are going to multiply. Any one of the operation, अगर if we applied on the variable के ऊपर और किसी भी constant के ऊपर अगर मैं कोई भी एक operation कर देता हूँ, means either we are going to add them, or we are going to subtract, or we are going to multiply, or we are going to divide. Then these are known as algebraic expressions. So the algebraic expressions means variable and the constant, or variable constant के ऊपर if any one of the operation you are going to do, either you are going to add them or subtract or divide or multiply, then this variable and constant are changed into the algebraic expressions, and these are known as a algebraic expression. This is a algebraic expression. These all are the algebraic expressions. Have a look. Yes. Now we will discuss the factors, terms, factors, and the coefficient. Terms क्या होते हैं, factors क्या होते हैं, and coefficient that we will discuss. Like this expression is given 5xy plus 10x. So these are the two terms. First term, second term. These are known as the terms is there only. If we talk about this term, अगर हम इस term को लेते हैं तो 5xy, this is the product of 5x and y. So these are the factors. And third one is the coefficient. If we talk about the numerical factor of a term, is called its numerical coefficient. So in this one you are taking, suppose in 5xy, so numerical coefficient is 5. Numerical coefficient is 5. If we talk about the numerical coefficient, अगर हम numerical coefficient की बात कर रहे हैं तो 5 is the numerical coefficient. Otherwise, if we talk about what is the coefficient of x, suppose you want to write the coefficient of x, तो x को छोड़कर that will be your coefficient. This is 5y. Suppose you want to write the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 5x. Coefficient of x you are इसको छोड़कर. तो that is the, अगर if we talk about केवल हम न्यूमेरिकल कोएफिशिएंट की बात करते हैं तो केवल न्यूमेरिकल नंबर होगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक और ले हम 12 -12xy. So -12 is the numerical coefficient. This is your numerical coefficient. लेकिन अगर if we talk about the what is the coefficient of x, अगर हम x की coefficient की बात करते हैं तो that is -12y. Coefficient of y -12x. Coefficient of -12xy is there. उस टर्म को छोड़कर जितने भी हैं all the rest of the product में जो होंगे they will be the coefficient of this one only. Now we will discuss about the types of expressions. So look at here. Now we will discuss the types of expressions. Types. First is the monomial algebraic expression. कोई भी algebraic expression monomial कब होगा? In any algebraic expression, only one term is there. केवल एक term, only one term. Only one term. The expression has only one term. Then you can say that is the monomial algebraic expression. केवल एक term हो. For instance, जैसे x minus 1 over 2x, x square, 3x cube. These all are the monomial algebraic expression. There should be only one term. एक term है 1, 1, 1. These all are the monomial algebraic expressions. These are the monomial algebraic expressions. Now second is the binomial algebraic expressions. To become a binomial algebraic expression, number of terms should be only two terms. केवल दो, only two terms are there. Then you can say that is the binomial algebraic expression. So to become a binomial algebraic expression, there should be only two terms. केवल दो term हो. जैसे x plus 10, 1 over 2x square minus 3, 4x plus 20. These are the binomial. Means number of terms are 2. Here is the 1 and this is 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These are the binomial algebraic expression. So only two terms are there. केवल दो term है. Only two terms. That expression is known as a binomial algebraic expression. Third one is the trinomial. Trinomial algebraic expression. To become a trinomial, there should be only three terms. Three terms. किसी भी algebraic expression को trinomial algebraic expression होने के लिए there should be only three terms. केवल तीन terms. जैसे for example x square plus 5x plus 6. Number of terms are 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is a trinomial algebraic expression. Minus 1 over 2x cube minus 10x plus 1. These are the trinomial algebraic expression. So if there is only three terms are there, that is trinomial. Only two terms are there. केवल दो. Binomial. Only one term is there. That is monomial. And the fourth one is the polynomial. So look at here. Polynomial. When any algebraic expression will be the polynomial. So fourth is the polynomial. To become a polynomial, one or more terms. एक या एक से ज्यादा. For example, x square plus 5x plus 6 is a polynomial. And x square is also the polynomial. 1 over 2x minus 10 is also the polynomial. Minus 3x square plus 2x minus 10. These all are the polynomials. So to become a polynomial, there should be one or more than one term is there only. It means finally you can say the monomial, binomial and trinomial all are the polynomials. These all are the polynomials. अगर एक term है, three terms है, two terms are there, these all are the polynomials. So to become a polynomial, there should be one or more than one terms. एक या एक से ज्यादा term में polynomial होगा. Now the concept is here. Every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. हर algebraic expression polynomial नहीं है. Every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Now question is which algebraic expressions are not a polynomial? हर algebraic expression polynomial नहीं होता. क्वेश्चन ये है कि कौन से ऐसे algebraic expression है which are the algebraic expression which is not a polynomial. तो कोई भी algebraic expression polynomial नहीं होगा in case if the exponent of the variable means just I am taking the example of not a polynomial. These are not the polynomials. For example, x square minus plus 2x raised to power minus 1 plus 10 x plus x square plus root x minus 5 or 15 is not a polynomial. X raised to power minus 3 plus 1 x raised to power minus 1 over 2 means if the exponent of a variable in any algebraic expression, किसी भी algebraic expression में exponent of a variable या तो negative है, if it is negative, or in the form of the fraction, or you can say like this is given in the inside the radical sign. तो root x का मतलब क्या हुआ? This is equal to actually x raised to power 1 over 2. So if the exponent of any variable is negative, or the power of the exponent of the variable is in the form of the fraction, or any variable is given inside the radical sign, these are not the polynomial. अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक है तो they are not the polynomial. So this is not a polynomial, this is not a polynomial, this is not a polynomial. Even sometimes we are going to write x plus 1 whole over x. This is also not a polynomial because इस x को दोनों के पीछे separate लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? x over x plus 1 over x. So this is you are getting 1 plus ये numerator में जाएगा x minus 1. So this is again it is not a polynomial. So to the exponent means any algebraic expression, कोई भी algebraic expression polynomial नहीं होगा अगर variable की power negative है या fraction में है. लेकिन if the exponent of the constant is in the form of the negative or the fraction, that will be the polynomial. अगर वेरिएबल के अलावा नंबर पर है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज आई एम टेकिंग x square plus root 2x plus 10 is a polynomial. X square plus 5 raised to power 1 over 2 x minus 1 is a polynomial. Means here is what? Constant के ऊपर fraction में है, तो these are the polynomial. So to become a polynomial, exponent of the variable का exponent should not be negative and in the form of the fraction. Otherwise these all are the polynomials because यहाँ अनरूट किस पर है? कांस्टेंट पर है. Here the constant. तो अगर कांस्टेंट के ऊपर नेगेटिव है या it is given the form of the fraction is there, these all are the polynomials. But वेरिएबल के ऊपर अगर नेगेटिव एंड फ्रैक्शन है, that is not a polynomial. Have a look. Okay. Now the like and unlike terms. Which terms are known as a like and unlike is there only? कौन से terms like और कौन से unlike होते हैं? देखिए कोई भी terms like होंगे where the variable is same. जैसे for example you are taking 2x and 3x. These are the like. 5x square, 10x square is a like. Minus x cube and minus 1 by 2x cube. We are not worried about this coefficient. Means variable should be the same. 3xy and 1 over 2xy. These all are the like. These all are the likes. Variables should be same. Variables. We are worried about the variables. Should be same. Should be same. Should be same. अगर यहाँ x cube है, here should be the x cube. Then you can say they are the like. xy is here is the xy. They are the like. x square, they are the like. xx, they are the like. To become a like, variable should be the same. If the variables are not same, like here you are taking 2x and 3x square, variables are not same. Here is the x, here is the x square. They are the unlike terms. These are the unlike. Minus 5xy minus 3xy square, unlike. Because here is the xy, here is the xy square. So they are not the like. Minus or 10 over 3 x cube y and 1 over 2 yx. These are not the unlike. They are the unlike is there. Because here is the x cube y and here is the yx is there only. Means if the variable part is not same, variables part is not same, अगर सेम नहीं है तो दैट इज दे आर नोन एज ए unlike terms. These are the unlike terms and these are the like terms is there only. So unlike में क्या है, variable part same नहीं है. Here is x and here is x and x square is there. Here is xy, here is xy square. Here is xqy, here is yx is there. So these are the unlike. To become a like, variable part should be. We are not worried. हमें ये constant से मतलब नहीं है. हमें we are worried about this variable is there only. Have a look. Yes. Next is the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Means how can add and subtract any two algebraic expression or more than two algebraic expressions are given. So there is the two different methods is there. One is the horizontal method. By using the horizontal method, we can add any two algebraic expression or three algebraic expression, or by the vertical method, we can add and subtract is there only. तो हमारे पास method क्या है? दो method, horizontal and vertical is there only. So first I am taking in case of the addition. We want to add these two by both the methods is there. दोनों method हम apply करेंगे. So case first I am taking in case of the horizontal method. By the horizontal method, how can you add them is there only. So according to this one is there, you are supposed to write down all these expressions in a bracket. इनको क्या करना, पहले आप ऐसे ब्रैकेट में रखिए. 4x plus 3xy plus 5x minus 2xy plus z plus x plus 10xy plus 2z. This is your horizontal method is there only. Horizontal method में क्या है, सिंपल हमें एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में लिख देना है. Now you have to remove this bracket. So this is 4x plus 3xy plus 5x minus 2xy plus z plus x plus 10xy plus 2z. Now you want to add these here only. तो यू हैव टू सी द लाइक टर्म्स इज देयर. जो लाइक टर्म्स है उनको एक साथ कर लीजिए. देखिए 4x 5x एंड दिस x, दीज आर द लाइक इज देयर ओनली. तो अगर आप चाहें तो यू कैन राइट दीज ऑल दीज लेटर्स ऑल टुगेदर. प्लस 3xy माइनस 2xy एंड प्लस 10xy, दीज आर द लाइक इज देयर ओनली. यू मस्ट राइट डाउन विद द साइन 3xy minus 2xy plus 10xy. And other is there only. See, now here is this z term is there. This is z, and one more is there. They are the like. You must write down here z plus 2z. क्या करना है? You have to write all the like terms all together along with the sign. Sign के साथ में उन्हें लिख दीजिए. अब just see 4 plus 5 and this is 1. So that is 4 plus 5 9 and 1 10. So this is your 10x. These are likes. The sum is 10. Here is, look at here. These are the like. But plus 3 and plus 10, they will be added. Subtract 2 is there. So 10 plus 3, 13. में से 2 add subtract 2 है तो you will get plus 11xy. Similarly, this z plus 2z that you must add them. Z plus 2z is that is 3z. So this is your answer by the horizontal method. लेकिन अगर हम we are going to apply the vertical method is there only on the same question. देखिए look at here. कि सेकंड वी आर टेकिंग नाउ. इन वर्टिकल मेथड में हम क्या करते हैं, लाइक टर्म्स के नीचे लाइक टर्म्स, अंडर द लाइक टर्म्स यू आर सपोज टू राइट. सेकंड वर्टिकल मेथड वी आर अप्लाइंग. पहला फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन को यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. नाउ सेकंड इज देयर. जस्ट लाइक टर्म्स मस्ट बी रिटन अंडर द लाइक. 5x 4x के नीचे आएगा. दिस इज minus 2x विल कम हियर and z is separate, तो उसको अलग से लिख दीजिए. This is there, means in a vertical. And then third one is there. This is x will come here because these all are the likes. Plus 10xy here and z. This is ये z 2z का like है तो you have to write on this one. तो like terms के नीचे like terms के under like terms लिखना है. These are the likes and these are there only. Now simple same method is there. You must add them. You are supposed to write along with the sign. ये हमेशा ध्यान रखिए. This is 4x 5 and this is, so you will get the 10x. Here is the plus 10y and plus 3y. These two will be added and subtract 2. So 10 plus 3 13 minus 2, so that is 11xy. Here is the 1z and 2z along with the sign. Same sign is there, so we will add 2z plus z is that is 3z, and this is your answer. So this is your vertical method, you can say. In a vertical method, you have to write all the like terms under the like terms, then according to their plus and minus sign you must add and subtract is there only. Have a look. Okay, now the next is the subtraction. We want to subtract this from this one. So first the horizontal method we are taking. We want to subtract this one from this one. It means ये term पहले लिखा जाएगा expression, then this one is there. So first case we are taking by the horizontal method. You must write down this one in a bracket is there. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Actually ये question किस तरह से subtract 5 from 8. So it means second में से first term subtract होता है. You have to write 8 minus 5. That is 3 is there already. This is the. So we want to subtract this from this one. So you must write down this one. Now minus and you must keep in bracket first round में. पहले round में just you must write down in the bracket is there. Minus 4y square plus 6y plus 3. This is your there in horizontal method. Now you have to remove the brackets. So if you will remove the bracket here only, अगर यहाँ हम bracket को remove करेंगे, what will happen? Their inside sign will be changed. इसके अंदर के sign change होंगे. Plus will change into the minus, minus will change into plus, minus, and then minus is here. So in the next, you can write down 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Here you can minus 5x square plus 4y square. Sign change होगा. देखिए plus था, it's become minus, minus it's become plus, minus 6y minus 3. इसके बाद same is there. You must write down the like terms with the like is there. तो अगर चाहें तो आप एक लाइन में लिख सकते हैं 7x square is here and this is minus 5x. Along with the sign will come. This is now 4xy and this is 4xy is single term is there, so you must keep as it is. Now y square term. This is 8y square. Another is here is 4y square plus 4y square. Okay. Now think about this x is there. This is minus 5x. Plus 5x, sorry, it will remain as it is, and this is separate, minus 3y, then minus 6y, and that is minus 3 will remain as it is. You must write down the like terms with the like. Like terms को एक एक साथ लिखिए. देखिए these two are the likes and these two are the likes is there. They are separate. There is alone. Other terms is not given. ये अकेला है यहाँ पर. Here is minus 4xy. There's no term of xy is here. That is here is in the same 5x. No term of x is there only. That's why. Now simple you can do 7 minus 5 2x square. This is minus 4xy will remain as it is. This is 8y square and plus 4y. That is 12y square. Here is 5x will remain as it is. Minus 3y and minus 6. So minus 9y and minus 3 is there. And this is your answer. This is your answer. Have a look. Okay. Now, in case of the vertical method, if we apply the vertical method is there only. So we want to subtract this from this one. तो पहले क्या करेंगे? इसको पहले लिखिए. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now like terms के नीचे लाइए. 5x square will come here. Minus 4y square will here. 6y, क्योंकि 6y will come here, and this 3 will remain the separate because 3 is here, but there is no constant term है, so 3 is here only. So in case if you are applying the vertical, you are subtracting this from this one. अब you have to change the sign. Sign किसका change होगा? इनका sign change करना है. तो minus will become a plus, plus into minus. तो ये the 5 minus is here. This is minus will remain. We are not going to change the sign. इसका sign change नहीं होगा. ये upper में है. केवल लोअर जो नीचे हम लिखते हैं ना, तो उनका साइन चेंज करना है. Here the minus and the here is the minus is here. Now you are supposed to, this is 7x square and minus this sign we will see, this sign. So 7x square minus 5x square, that is 2x square, minus 4xy will remain as it is, no change. 8y plus 4y, this sign, ये वाला sign देखेंगे आप, forget this sign. So 8 plus 4 12y square and plus 5x will remain as it is, no change. Minus 3 and this sign we will see. This sign. We are not supposed to see this one. So minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9y and minus 3. And this is your answer. So this is your vertical method is there. According to vertical method में क्या करते हैं? You have to write this one first and then this one, and you have to change the sign of this one. इनके सबके sign change करो. If it is plus है तो change in minus, minus then plus. Only these terms sign will change. इनके जो ऊपर में जिस इसका right term is not given, इसका right term नहीं दिया है, तो ये नहीं कि इसका sign change कर दिया. No, it will remain as it is. It will remain as it is because another like terms we don't have AC around it. Change the sign and then add and subtract. Have a look.